Airborne pathogens, bacteria, viruses, germs, and other contaminants are prevalent in healthcare facilities such as hospitals, laboratories, clinics, and clean rooms. Regular disinfecting is sometimes not enough to kill all contaminants in a room where people pass in and out on a consistent basis. These nasty contaminants can be transmitted through person-to-person contact, through the air, or through person-to-device and object contact. A great way to mitigate the spread of germs and other contaminants is by harnessing the power of a UVC germicidal light fixture. UVC devices come in a variety of forms, including a convenient overhead door barrier. These door barriers offer hospital-grade hands-free disinfection when placed in a doorway. These door barrier UVC fixtures project a concentrated beam of germicidal UVC light into the doorway from above and onto the person walking through, providing brief exposure for an added layer of germ killing. The door barrier is designed to mount above a 36-inch wide doorway, and several door units can be mounted together to cover larger areas. This doorway unit comes equipped with a 30-watt UVC fluorescent lamp that offers over 8,000 hours of lamp life. These devices are ideal for hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and other places where potential contaminants may be and where there is a lot of foot traffic. These two models, as well as other UVC devices, are in stock and ready to ship immediately. To check out our complete selection of disinfection and sanitation products, visit Larson Electronics today.
At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.